Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't already with the button below. I would absolutely love to have you here, and today's video is all about making your house smell amazing. I know that we don't all have time to do a deep clean, so today is just my tips, tricks and home hacks to an amazing smelling house. Making your bed first thing in the morning is definitely something you should try and do every single day. It helps get you in the mood for the day and it helps the room look more put together. And today I am also spraying it with Zoflora, which is my tip number one. You can use any type of fragrance if you like Zoflora or Febreze or anything like that. Once you've made your bed, give it a quick spray because it will linger on your bed sheets all day and the room will smell amazing.
Stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
So as today is all about making the house smell amazing, I thought what better day to wash the net curtains. I've been needing to wash them for so long now and I just keep putting it off. But today is the day I'm finally going to try and restore them, hopefully not ruin them, and that will just add to the smell of the bedroom. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and while they're in the wash I am also going to give the bedroom a quick polish, which is tip number 2 would be to polish. If you have a coffee table or a TV stand or anything like that downstairs and you're only doing the living room, give that a quick polish. You would be amazed at how the smell carries throughout the whole of your house. It smells so fresh, it smells like you've been cleaning all day. It is just gorgeous, so I would definitely recommend polishing if you have some unexpected guests coming round and you have no idea how to freshen your house up quickly. Give your coffee table a quick polish.
Love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world.
So while I've got the net curtains down, I am going to go in and give the windows a quick clean. I wasn't going to do that today, but as the nets are out the way, it's just so much easier to do it this way. And it just gives me time to talk about tip number 3, which is using Zoflora on the windows, banisters, door frames, even skirting boards if you want to. It just helps the smell stay longer in the room, especially if it's all around the room. It's a disinfectant as well, which is just a win-win, and I love to go over especially door handles as well and things like that. It just makes the room smell incredible.
Take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. We are who we are.
If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis and get instant tap to clean motivation and home decor type of content, then do go over and follow me on Instagram. I am on there every day. Feel free to send me a message, say hello, let me know that you come from YouTube. I will leave the link in the description below.
That brings us down. So come on now.
So I'm now going to make my way downstairs and freshen it up down there. It is already tidy, so I'm going to go straight in and do the shake and vac on the carpet before hoovering it up. I leave it on for about an hour and I've got it in the scent of lemon. It smells amazing. I keep saying that throughout this video, but it really does smell beautiful. So I highly recommend this product. So I'm now going to go ahead and just give the sofa a quick hoover. This isn't a hack or a trick, but it does need doing. And then I'm going to polish the TV stand. So that takes us back to tip number 2. It's just polish, polish, polish. Always keep on top of it, and it does transform a room more than you realise. So yeah, I'm just going to get on with that.
In your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. You would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do.
And my fifth tip, it seems like an obvious one, but it is use scented candles. I've got loads of scented candles and I actually just forget to use them, which I think is a case for so many people. So just light a candle. I like lighting the candle when I have finished all of the cleaning. It's just so relaxing, and I'm using an orange one. It smells gorgeous. I had no idea how much I loved the scent of orange, but yeah, it's lovely. So at the end of a long day, at the end of a cleaning day, light a scented candle and just unwind. I'm now going to go back in and hoover up all the shake and vac that I put on the living room carpet, as well as the hallway. It's been on for about an hour now, so I think it's definitely done its job. It smells lovely and it's time to get it up. I did only do downstairs for this video. If you are hoping to have your whole house smelling shake and vac fresh, then I would definitely recommend doing upstairs separately. I do go through a whole tub just for downstairs, so I definitely would stock up if you are hoping to do your entire house.
You like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight.
So now the curtains are all done, I'm going to pop them back up. They've turned out so much whiter than I expected, which is lovely. They were quite grey and I thought they were just ruined, to be honest. So I am really pleased with how sparkly white they've turned out, and I really hope that you have enjoyed today's video. If you would like to see more videos like this one, full of tips and tricks and hacks, just let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you back here on Thursday.
On you, I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. My mind. So just sit